Welcome to Intellify, Crop Production and Management. We know that all living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves. In order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management and distribution of food is necessary. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, a crop of wheat. Basic practices of crop production. Cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These activities or tasks are referred to as agricultural practices. These activities are listed below. Preparation of soil. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the root to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the root to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Various nutrients held in the dead organisms are released back into the soil. These nutrients are again absorbed by the plants. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling and plowing. Next, sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Good quality seeds are clean, healthy, and of good variety. An appropriate distance between the seeds is important to avoid overcrowding of plants. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients, and water from the soil. Adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil to provide nutrients for healthy growth of the plants are called manure and fertilizers. Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crop. These nutrients are essential for the growth of the plants. Irrigation. Water is absorbed by the plant roots. Along with water, minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed. Water also protects the crop from both frost and hot air currents. To maintain the moisture of the soil for healthy crop growth, fields have to be watered regularly. Protecting from weeds. In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plant for water, nutrients, space, and light. Thus, they affect the growth of the crop. Some weeds interfere even in harvesting and may be poisonous for animals and human beings. Harvesting. Harvesting a crop is an important task. The cutting of the crop after it is mature is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. Storage. Storage of produce is an important task. If the crop grains are to be kept for a long time, they should be safe from moisture, insects, rats, and microorganisms. For storing large quantities of grains in big godowns, specific chemical treatments are required. These are the basic practices required for the cultivation of crops. For more, stay tuned and learn with Intellify.